Hey, this is Nate, and I want to give a quick review on the 4% Success Challenge. I've been following the training provided, and I have to say it is by far a world-class training program. Vick has taken me from square one with zero experience, and now I'm very confident that I have a solid foundation to grow and scale my own affiliate business. Not only does the challenge teach you how to set up your own affiliate marketing business, but it also goes into the reasoning behind it and how to put it all into action, which of course is the most important part, taking action. Through the training, you'll also learn about the necessary tools, traffic generation, and techniques and strategies to position your business as an authority in the industry. Now, for me, the best part is the access to the 4% community. This community is full of top performing affiliate marketers, and everyone there is happy to share insights into their success. There truly is a belief that success garners success. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing or are already in the business but needing help getting to the next level, I truly believe this program has something for you, and I know anyone can follow this training and find success. So now I have to ask, are you ready to take the Success Challenge? We'll see. I hope so, and I hope to see you on the inside. Cheers. Thanks for watching.